What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. So I have the car, the Peugeot 208 GTI, for over 5 years and 4 months to be exact, and I thought I'd give you a little owner review, what it has been for the past 5 years owning the car and what mods I have done for the car. So first of all, the car is 2017, so it's a facelift. All the problems of the pre-facelift car are gone, anything like that. Yeah, so no mechanical issue. In terms of engine, the engine is stock, still the 208 horsepower. Basically, besides air filter, I have the K&N air filter in. By the way, we are here at the beautiful Jerusalem mountains at a place called Sataf. So yeah, here we go. Let's talk about the car. So let's talk a little about mods. One of the first mods that I did was the Miltech Sport cutback exhaust. It's of course street legal and it was purchased here in Israel. For behavior, I have the Eibach Pro Kit 25mm lowering springs and Powerflex black bushes all around. The clutch is the stocks operated clutch for the Peugeot 208 GTI. It's operated for up to 15% more torque. For the braking system, I currently have fitted the Brembo Extra discs and pads, as well as Hell Performance braided hose for the brakes. For the back, I have Ferrodo pads and the Brembo regular discs. In addition, the actual first mod that I did to the car was the 4H Tech short shifter. I think it's mandatory for the car, and the car is wearing Michelin Pilot Sports 4. So that's basically it, friends. I think I've covered it all of the mods that I did in the past 5 years and 4 months. As I said in the beginning, I had no mechanical issues, no fuel pump issues, no timing chain issues, none of the issues that the pre-facelift model had. And if you're thinking about buying one, definitely go for the facelift one, 2016 and onward. If you have one of them yourself, don't forget to put the comment down below and tell me what you think about the car. And that's basically it, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.